Now for Better Food, executive chef and partner Frederick Kiefer of the Artisan Restaurant is here now. And the toys are talking. We're making artisan Christmas chowder. I think that baby is still sick.
Crystal needs some help over there. I gave her my sparkle in my hair to make her feel better. But Frederick is here. If you haven't been to Artisan yet, it is just a beautiful place to celebrate the holidays right now. It's just gorgeous. But you have a solution for those of us who have, I'm married to someone who's Italian, or you have Italian heritage, you want to try and do 7 fishes. This is a chowder that is delicious, but you can incorporate the 7 fishes.
Yes, exactly. So, you know, Christmas is about celebrating for everybody. So we try to accommodate everyone during the holidays. So that's a spin on our chowder to make it fit the Italian Christmas. So we include actually 7 fresh fish into our artisan chowder.
I think things taste better with your accent. Just by that fact alone, just the accent makes your food taste better.
I agree.
Right.
I agree.
I'll take that. So why don't we start?
Yes.
So we're going to start with our whole seafood, you know, calamari. Watch out.
So that's calamari, okay.
Yes. We're going to do shrimp.
Shrimp.
And just a little bit of olive oil, you know, Italian seafood.
Do you have clams? Do clams go in this?
Clams do right in there. So the clam chowder is the base.
So you have you're starting out with your traditional clam chowder. You can maybe use a recipe that you like, or here's yours right here.
Yep.
But the clam chowder you've already started with, and now you're adding other fish in a different pan?
Exactly. I mean, ours usually comes with oysters and crab and shrimp. For this one, we beefed it up to make it work for Christmas.
Okay.
So what was that, paprika you put in
It's actually espelette, which would be a French paprika from the southern part of France.
I was close, Kara.
Yeah.
My paprika.
You got the color right.
I feel like if you had Old Bay at home, could you use that? It's the same color.
Yes, it's close enough.
Yeah, Old Bay, from the bay from where these fish came from.
Okay.
So we're going to give that a minute.
Yeah.
Then we'll add the other seafood.
Okay. What's this?
So they're oysters.
Oysters.
So, yeah.
Put them in now?
You can go ahead. Yeah, just about.
Do you like oysters, Kara?
When they're cooked, they're very good.
I love oysters.
It's not my favorite shellfish, but I think when they're cooked, I don't mind. I love people. I know people love them on the half shell, and that's just a texture thing for me. But I love lobster.
You can go ahead with a lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's crab meat.
Love that. Yeah.
And you're gonna go ahead. And we're gonna finish that up with some diced preserved lemon.
Oh, that's the lemon.
Not the whole thing. So
not the whole thing, like a sprinkle?
Two pinches.
Okay, like that?
One and one more.
Okay.
Here we go.
Is this a special lemon, like a Meyer lemon?
No, it's preserved lemon. We actually make that. It takes about 8 weeks to 10 weeks. We cure them with salt and rosemary. That's actually a Moroccan recipe, believe it or not. And then they preserve the lemon, and in this way it takes all the bitterness away.
Oh, so if someone's doing this at home, could they buy a preserved lemon?
You can buy it, yes. Yeah, they're available online. And then just put the parsley right in there.
All of it?
Half of it would work.
Half, okay.
And I would turn that off.
And you're using, of course, fresh parsley.
Yes, of course. So that's our base for the chowder. So that's 6 fish plus the clam. That would make it 7.
Beautiful.
So the way we would usually...
What kind of clams does it make a difference? What kind
little neck is usually the going...
Little neck.
Yes.
Oh, so you're going to pour it in each bowl just like that, and then the chowder goes over it.
Yeah, because you have to fancy it up for Christmas, you know.
Isn't that beautiful?
So we do that.
Or if you're serving a lot of guests, I guess you could do little shot glasses where people could have...
Yes, it's always tricky when it's hot, but you can.
And how evenly proportioned that is. Beautiful.
Try. I've practiced before, so.
And it's really not that difficult. You just got to get the fish. You got to get the fish.
I mean, you got to get the fish.
We have great local fish markets around here. Maybe go to City Fish or someone like that. You're going to have all that for you.
Our chowder comes with fennel and black pepper cracker. This is our spin on the oyster cracker. So that we make that in house. So obviously you will finish that because you have to have the little crackers.
Eat this one.
Here we go. And you just take that away.
So if we come into Artisan, will people be able to order this?
Of course, it starts on the Christmas menu. The Christmas day. So from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock all day long.
Oh, nice.
And our chowder is there all year long. So basically you have you set up like that with all the seafood. And you ladle your chowder that has the potato, the leek. This one has a hint of...
So every bowl make sure that it has the 7 fishes. That's so nice.
That's right.
Isn't that beautiful?
And yeah, so that's going to be one of our main items on Christmas Day.
Good Christian men rejoice with fish.
Yes.
And to finish it up, we actually, I mean, that menu, you'll have everything that you would expect from the holidays. from oyster, lobster. We have venison, wild boar.
Beautiful. And of course,
bay
Artisan,
scallops.
just to remind people, Artisan is at the new Delamar Hotel
Yes.
in West Hartford. So make a reservation
right ahead.
if you like.